Hey everybody, welcome to the launch of my book. So this is an exciting time. My book is written and I'm asking for your help to bring it into this reality. And basically what it's about is, well, I'll give you the title. It's Down to Earth, a spiritual being's guide to having a happy human experience. So that should probably tell you a little bit what it's about. It's about how we can really ground ourselves in our spirituality and bring it into our human lives to have a happy human existence while we're here. I think that's the goal. I think that's where humanity is going right now. And we have to do all we can to get the information out there in a relatable, down-to-earth way that people can understand and really implement into their daily lives. So that's what this book is about. I'm launching it now. Everything you do as far as the perks is going to help that. So if you take a look at the perks, there's going to be obviously the book where you can get the book options. And there's some unique ways to interact with me. I try to be as creative as possible to give you some unique opportunities to take advantage of while you're supporting this. So take a look at the perks. It's basically, this is to cover all the publishing aspects of it, the editing, the book cover, the getting it out there. There's quite a bit to it. So we can really use your support in making this happen. And it's, I want you to feel like it's a collective way to become a part of this book and get it out to the people, so we can speed up this shift that's happening. Another part of this is that 10% of the profits are all going towards charity work. So the beauty of that is it's an international campaign. It's called Outreach International is the company that it's going to, and their proceeds, 100% of the money that comes into them goes out to projects across the world internationally, which is wonderful. They have a benefactor that pays for all the salaries there, administrative costs, so they don't have to worry about that. So any money that's coming into this charity goes right towards solution, which is phenomenal. The other thing that I like about this charity is that it's all based in a philanthropic mentality. So the mentality is that it's going to get the indigenous people of the area to really be a part of the solution as opposed to just throwing money at it. So what that's going to do is help eradicate the problem instead of just throwing money at it and constantly having to throw money at it. So, it's really based on eradicating the problem through the people that are there, which is, I think, phenomenal. That's something I believe in, being the solution. So we've got that. Like I said, 10% of all the profits are going towards that. So, know that you're helping people all around the world in difficult situations as part of this book birth. So that's pretty much it. So thank you for listening. If you have any questions, reach out, but I hope you really consider supporting this book. It's a wonderful mission, and I think it can help a lot of people. So thank you.